Oklahoma Revocable Living Trust is the same as a revocable trust almost anywhere else. Now, there are certain situations where you have assets that are over, say, $11.5 million, I think is the number right now, per individual, where we may have to, or you may have to go out and look at getting a revocable trust, maybe in a specific state that is more friendly to people who have assets over $11 million or $11.5 million. But for 99% of the United States, an Oklahoma revocable trust is going to be very similar to just a regular revocable trust in any other state. And what's nice about it is in most jurisdictions, an Oklahoma revocable trust will be recognized as an entity, and you can actually change what's called the situs, or basically the residence of the trust, to another state if, for example, the person who created it has moved to another state. Now, I will say that if you have moved to another state and you are going to probably make that state your lifetime residence, then after a few years, it might be a good idea to visit with an estate planning attorney in that jurisdiction and see if the revocable trust is going to do exactly what you want in that jurisdiction. In general, a revocable living trust made in one state is going to be good in another state. So if you have an Oklahoma revocable trust, it's going to be good and function correctly in another state. But you have options, and like I say always, you need to be reevaluating your estate plan on an annual basis. And if you've moved to another state or you've moved to another jurisdiction, then you might revisit whether or not that revocable trust needs to be restated for specific laws that are in whatever jurisdiction you're in. Just make sure you keep your trust up to date and you should be okay. I know I've thrown a lot at you today, so that's why we've prepared our free guide on estate planning. I'll put a link to it in the description below and in the comment section below that so that you can download it and get started in the right direction. And to help you out even more, watch this video up here and this video up here. If you enjoyed this video, then guys, please smash that subscribe button and click on the like button. And also click on that little bell so you'll get notified every time we post a new video. Have a great day and an awesome week. And as always, thanks for watching.